Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, May 8th of 2019. We're halfway through the week, and teachers, they were still celebrating you this week for Teacher Appreciation Week. So one of the announcements to make for today is that you do have a celebration luncheon, teachers, today. That is brought to you by the PTCO. So you'll be having pizza and pasta served at lunchtime today from about 10:25 until about 12 o'clock. Our early dismissal is happening today. It is the last early dismissal day of the year. So at 1:05, we'll be doing dismissal. And boys and girls, just a reminder that tomorrow a big event is happening here at Perry for our art show. It is the first of its kind. So hopefully the weather holds out tomorrow so we can actually do some painting on the sidewalks too. So we'll see what happens with that. But tomorrow's art show is from 4 to 6 and everything will be in the gym. For May birthdays, there's no any birthdays to announce for today. And then for lunch choices, we have chicken fajita bowl, cheeseburger, or some butter and jelly. And today our paws are brought to you by some first grade students.
All right, it's time for our pause, and we have students here from first grade to go over some things for earning our pause.
Never hurt others. Hold the handrail while going up and down the stairs. Always stand up while you're doing the pledge.
Good advice. Thank you, guys.
And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a great day today. Remember, make some great choices. The choices are yours, so make sure that you own them and take responsibility for them. And today, remember, early dismissal day at 1:05. Have a wonderful day.